If you're considering mortgage protection, I'm sure you have lots of questions. So in this video, I will go through the 7 most commonly asked questions. The first one is, what's the difference between life insurance and mortgage protection? Life insurance and mortgage protection are both types of life insurance. And a life insurance policy is one that will clear your mortgage if you die. The difference between life insurance and mortgage protection is, on a life insurance policy, the amount of cover that you take out doesn't decrease over time. So if you buy 300,000 life insurance over 30 years, it will stay at 300,000 for those 30 years. On a mortgage protection policy, that 300,000 will reduce over time in line with your mortgage. So life insurance will clear your mortgage and may leave a lump sum behind. Mortgage protection will only clear your mortgage. Hope that's clear. Number 2, does mortgage protection clear my mortgage if I get sick? No, it doesn't. Mortgage protection is a death-only policy. If you're interested in clearing your mortgage if you get sick, you need to look at critical illness cover or serious illness cover. Will my bank accept mortgage protection from your insurer? Yes, you don't have to buy mortgage protection from the bank. You're free to choose which insurance company you go with. So you can use a broker or you can use your bank if you find it more convenient. Number 4, how much does mortgage protection cost? The $1 million question. It's too difficult to say without knowing more about your individual situation. The price of your mortgage cover will depend on your age, whether you smoke, how much cover you're taking out, the term of your policy, and if you have any health issues. Ballpark average, if you've no health issues, you're probably looking at 20-25 euros a month, but again, that is a huge average, assuming a lot of things. What is the difference between joint and dual life cover? Yeah, this one crops up a lot as well. So dual life cover pays out on both deaths. So it's 2 people insured on the one policy. If the first person passes away, the mortgage is cleared, but cover will continue for the second person. Whereas on a joint policy, you're both covered on the same policy, but if the first person dies, the policy will then end. There is no continuing cover for the second person. So just to recap, dual life cover, both people are insured and there can be 2 payouts. On a joint life policy, there is a payout on the first death only. Nowadays, dual life is the same price as joint life with some insurers, so it's a no-brainer. Dual life all the way. And finally, what's convertible mortgage protection? Okay, this is it's not a new benefit, but it's getting more popular as people understand it a little bit more. Let's go through a non-convertible basic mortgage protection policy first, and may make things simpler. So if you don't have a conversion option, you can't extend the term of your mortgage in the future. You would have to take out a new policy. Whereas if you have a convertible mortgage protection policy, you can extend the term in the future without answering medical questions. So let's say you want to take out a home improvement loan in the future, but you want to extend your mortgage by 5 years. If you have the conversion option, you can do so without answering medical questions. If you don't have the conversion option, you would have to reapply. You'll be 5 years older, you may have had health issues, so it may be more difficult to actually get cover in the future. So the conversion option gives you the safety net of guaranteed cover into the future. It's about 5% extra in premium, but we do definitely recommend it. And that's it. That's the top 7 questions. Hope it's helpful.